Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm here today to unbox and review the Sable watercolor brush set that I received from a Chinese company named Fuumuui. This company contacted me to ask if they could send me some of their travel watercolor brushes to try out. I agreed since I love to try and paint with different brushes. They sent a set of 3 Sable watercolor brushes that I'm gonna review today. The price of this set is $20.99. I think it's on sale right now. However, you can use the code PROVA to get 10% discount on anything you order from their website. More information about this company is written in the description of this video. The brushes came in a beautiful small leather case. In this set, there are 3 round brushes, number 4, 8, and 12. I must mention that the brush sizes might be a little bit different from other companies. They are all individually wrapped, which is really nice. That's how they look like with the elegant metal covers on. Brushes come out like this and then twist it back in. As you can see, once you get them out of the covers, they expand very nicely and become full-size brushes. There's a layer of glue on the brushes to keep them in shape. I'll wash the glue off and come back. So after you wash the glue off, they become very soft and smooth. Even after washing, the brushes come to a really nice sharp point, which is great. There's a hole on top of each cover for the moisture to dry naturally after you put the brushes back in. Now I'm gonna test the water content, softness, and if there's any shading of the hairs. The paper I'm using is a rough handmade watercolor paper. I must say there is the right amount of weight to the brush. As you can see, the brush is holding its shape really well and also holding a good amount of water. They are quite nice quality brushes for the cost of the set. I'm really impressed with the brushes. These brushes can be used as watercolor calligraphy brush as well, especially the smallest one of this set, which is number 4. It is a very nice fine detailed brush as well. I love this set so much. The brushes are so elegant and useful. I'll upload a full painting demonstration video using these brushes soon on my channel. So till then, enjoy my other videos and don't forget to use the discount code to save you some dollars. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any question about these brushes. I'll be happy to help. See you soon. Bye bye.